All right, what is going on YouTube? What is going on? It's your boy RonTrades back with another video, man. Today we're going to be going over this ICT trade that I took here on USDJPY. I'm going to be just going over, breaking it down, what I've seen, my analysis on it, and how I actually use ICT free mentorship, to actually add it to my strategy and be able to make profits consistently. Now, before this video starts, this is not any financial advice. Use your own financial advice. Use proper risk management. I'm not using this to entice anyone to think that they can go into the live markets and do the same thing. So let's just basically go over this. It's gonna be a quick trade breakdown. One of my first trade breakdowns on this channel. I'm gonna be doing this more often from now, showing a trade breakdowns, then showing the actually live execution. So on this trade, real simple. We had sell side liquidity here. Just gonna go to the 15-minute because this is why I took this trade from the 15-minute time frame. Now I'm gonna be honest, I did actually scalp this setup here. But you can see before the market opened here, we was basically consolidating right here a lot. So we was building up orders here. If you guys have been watching ICT Power 3 manipulation, it's manipulation, accumulation, and distribution. It's exactly what happened here. Happened live right in my face. So I had to take this setup. So like I said right here, we was actually consolidating right here before the market opened up during London here, and then during the New York session, which is what I trade. ICT prefers that we trade a New York session. So right here, as you can see, sell side liquidity. Let's actually get my tool here. As you can see right here, sell side liquidity was taken. We actually went down here and we ran these lows here. So in a retail mindset, it's two things people are thinking here. This is either going to be a support level people are going to buy off of. So if you bought here off support, you got stopped out because price went through it and hit your stop loss. Or the other side of retail is people are thinking that if price breaks below these lows here, low here, low here, people are going to think that if market is going to expand lower. And that's exactly what happened here. Smart money fake these retail sellers, these retail traders into the market thinking it's going to go long here. It goes down even more. Or people that thought they was going to go short here after the breakout, they got faked out and price started to go to the upside. Now, another key confluence that I was using was this hour time frame. As you can see here on the hourly time frame, it looks so beautiful on the hourly. Like you can literally see the manipulation happen. Shout out to ICT, man, because he actually trained my eyes to seeing this. Like before I learned about ICT, I would have definitely took a buy here and got stopped out. Then would have been thinking, oh man, the market's going the other way. Then my psychology would have been all, just all over the place. So right here in the hourly, you can see we have consolidation period. Like I said, right before the New York session opened up, we whipped down here as soon as the market opened. 8 o'clock right here, you can see this whole 8 o'clock candle. We whipped down, took out sell side liquidity, and then we rebalanced right back up to the upside. Now I'm show you my entry here. I'm actually gonna put a video up too of me actually taking this trade live, so you guys don't, oh, he's just hindsight type guy. Nah, I actually took this trade, and I'm gonna show you guys why I was in the trade and where I got out of. Now in this trade, I did only scalp this trade. I wasn't really looking to hold this trade all the way up here. These annotations are just why I predicted price to go to. I actually took profits around 11 pips, which I actually show you here on my on the paper trading thing. This is a paper trade too, guys. This is a demo account. I don't want you guys to think that you can go ahead and do this live. You can, but I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you guys that this thing actually works. I'm here to actually give you guys value and just basically document my journey. So right here you can see closed long position for USDJPY at 115074. So that's going to be here. So 115074 is what I got out. 115074. So it's going to be 115074. So about right here, I got out this trade. So about 10 pips. Yeah, about 10 pips here. Getting out of this trade. Like I said, I just really wanted to scalp this setup. It wasn't really a setup I was looking to hold, even though I knew it would go up here. Like I say, once I see something that I like on my screen, I go ahead and take my profits there. So very nice trade set up here, taking sell side liquidity, going with the bullish institutional order flow. Understand that that smart money just basically got all these sellers right here. They fool everyone that the market is going down or the market is going bearish. People were taking sales at as the market was coming down. As you can see, their stop loss ended up getting hunted, and that's why, you know, trading with the banks and trading with the engineered liquidity is your best bet for 2022. So yeah, that's this trade setup, guys. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the live trade on the screen. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash a like on this video. Subscribe if you guys are new. Like I said, I'm going to be doing way more videos like this, just teaching the my strategy, ICT strategy. That's basically, I use the same strategy as him. I just do a little bit things different. But shout out to ICT, man. He is the GOAT. He definitely trained my eyes into seeing price being delivered in this type of aspect, in this situation. So let's go ahead and get into this video.